Descended in the portal, no more juice in the flask. No use depending on the mortals, ain't the easiest task. I'm overzealous, I'm heretical, meaning an archangel. Viewing it from the heavens of humans that aren't grateful. Taking the filter, we're cleansing blood and we bathe up in a benzo. Burning myself in the pressure by taking my place inside of a dead zone. Ain't no coffin burial to soak in the breeze. These ceremonial rituals practiced down to the T. Lost track of the demons out of hand spots. Road into redemption coming after a night. I got the chains up on my flesh, I'm in a liminal space. To rip the veins out of my chest like how we falling from grace. Empty the heavens and flooding those six ships. Rain down the red and we covered the wings. Flew close to the sun and the tails drooped out. When we angered the gods,
too close.
Empty the heavens and flooding those six ships. Rain down the red and we covered the wings. Flew close to the sun and the tails drooped out. When we angered the gods, we lost the sound. Taking the face from you when I walk in the room. You're never debating anymore.
Go. Right.
Yeah, you know what it is, so be stepping aside. I haven't really gave a fuck if I be dead or alive. So bite the bullet, trigger pull and seek the end or begin. It depends on how you're looking at it. I know that I'll be sinning. Descended in the portal, no more juice in the flask. No use depending on the mortals, ain't the easiest task. I'm overzealous, I'm heretical, meaning an archangel. Viewing it from the heavens of humans that aren't grateful. Taking the filter, we're cleansing blood and we bathe up in a benzo. Burning myself in depression by taking my place inside of a dead zone. Ain't no coffin burials to soak to the breathe. These ceremonial rituals practiced down to a T. Lost track of the demons out of Pandora's box. Road into redemption coming after a night. I got the chains up on my flesh, I'm in a liminal space. To rip the veins up out my chest like how we falling from grace. Empty the heavens and flooding those six ships. Rain down the red and we covered the wings.
Come out.
Sun and the tails drooped out.
Oh, good shit, man.
Empty the heavens and flooding those six ships. Rain down the red and we covered the wings. Flew close to the sun and the tails drooped out. We angered the gods with no lives to sell. Taking the face from you when I walk in the room. You never made it, know you want to back like I'm super. Look, you can't control where you plug and you move. I be addressing no one likes it. If I said it, it's soon. No blame, waiting for nothing. I've been debating the public.
Nice shit, right?
Oh, good.
Nice shit.
Keeping me from reduction. It doesn't appeal to me. The second is the name of the fun. We'll never run for a buck. We'll never run for a bill. I'm at the fun of the show. Watching the blood and the shit.
Back up. Oh, unlucky, man.
Empty the heavens and flooding those six ships. Rain down the red and we covered the wings. Cliff flew close to the sun and the tails drooped out. When we angered the gods with no lives to sell. Empty the heavens and flooding those six ships. Rain down the red and we covered the wings. Cliff flew close to the sun and the tails drooped out. When we angered the gods with no lives to sell. I'm taking the face from you when I walk in the room. You never debating it, ain't know you why you act like a tool. I broke the database and show where you log in and move. I be addressing no one likes it. It makes existential assuming if I said it, it's soon. No, I ain't waiting for nothing. I've been evading the public. Cause I ain't faking and fucking. It's all in my DNA. The sucker keeping me from reduction. It doesn't appeal to me. The second not to deal with the fun. We'll never run for a buck. We'll never run for a bill. I'm at the front of the shuttle, launching the blunt and shit. Evacuate, I'm out the way. I'm in a regular meal. I turn them up into the dust when they ain't running but still. I don't know what the fuck assumption that you really had. Really the fact is I ain't running but nobody in dread. I face it every single morning when I wake in this mess. And I've been breaking this from rules since I ran out of stress.
Good shot.
Empty the heavens and flooding those six ships. Rain down the red and we covered the wings. Cliff close to the sun and the tails drooped out. When we angered the gods with no lives to sell. Empty the heavens and flooding those six ships. Rain down the red and we covered the wings. Cliff flew close to the sun and the tails drooped out. When we angered the gods with no lives to sell. Empty the heavens and flooding those six ships. Rain down the red and we covered the wings. Cliff flew close to the sun and the tails drooped out. When we angered the gods with no lives to sell. Taking the face from you when I walk in the room. You never debating it, ain't know you why you act like a tool. I broke the database and show where you log in. I'm breaking this from rules since I very much stress. Empty the heavens
back up. Back, 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 back.
When we anger the gods when our lives to sell. Heavens are flooding those six shifts. Rain down the right and we cover the wings. Flew close to the sun and the tails do turn. We anger the gods when our lives to sell.
Hit! Hit, 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 hit.
Exchange.
What the fuck? Fuck off.
What's wrong with you?
What the fuck? What?
I literally shot you in the stomach. I saw the BB, then looking back, mate.
Yeah. Go back with me. What's back? Oh, yeah. Right. Look, stay where you are.
Hit! Dead man coming up.
Right, so who's getting who? Stand up. Who's getting who?
So, do you want the blue one?
Go on, Rob, yeah, go on. You two.
No, you guys.
Can I do it, you guys? Shoot.
Oh, alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, no, you do it. You do the honor. It might not be good, yeah, but it's
Okay, as far as it is stick,
I don't think it will.
if you have another one, I am very happy to take.
I don't have any more. Oh no. Oh no.
I sort it out, no problem.
Sorry, man. Sorry. Oh, cunt.